Open the IROGA 3D slicer. Import the DXF file that we made in CorelDRAW. Select the letter, click Combine and Horizontal Mirror. Move it to the left. Edit the starting point at a better position. Press the Escape key on the keyboard to quit the start point editing. Select the letter and click Fill, tick Panel Filling, and keep all the parameters here as default. Select the letter before we set the output parameters on the right column. Select Reverse Print, select Line, and set 20 mm for letter height. Here we can set the color switch as per our requirement. We can take a view after we set the color switch. We can set the position of bottom step at 3 mm for small letters. For this letter, we don't need to set Prevent Curl, Connect Letter, or Surround Side. Let's click Fill Panel. We are going to print the face panel, so we just select the panel print. Set 0 mm for fill type 2, and set 0.9 mm for fill type 1. Click Get Path, then tick Baseplate, and set -1 mm in the case of 3D printed bottom panel. Save the DXF file for the bottom panel. Click File Output to save the G-code file for the face panel and side wall. Check in the 3D preview before we print it. Delete this file, then import the DXF file of bottom panel. Select it, click Combine and Horizontal Mirror. Move it to the right. Tick Bottom Plate Filling, and keep all other parameters as default. Select it before we set the output parameters on the right column. Select Reverse Print, select Line, and set 1.8 mm for letter height. Set 1.8 mm for layer 1, and set Extruder 3. No footstep is needed for the bottom panel. Tick Floor Fill for the bottom panel, and set 1.8 mm for height. Click Get Path, then click File Output to save the G-code file for the bottom panel. Check in the 3D preview before we print it. Here we can see that we've got all the files we need. It's time to print the G-code files. Thanks for watching.